Hey guys, so I'm doing a little something different on this one. So I wanted to do a little review video on the Halloween 2, these little collectible ball thingies that everybody's been trying to find at Walmart. They're called Toy Capsule Collectibles Halloween 2 collection. So funny thing happened. So I have a sleeping disorder and usually take medication to sleep. And I bought these and I was like, I had them sitting on this table and I was going to do the review. I was tired and I remember, I'm gonna do it tomorrow. I remember clearly saying, yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow. And I'm home alone right now because Nay is in New York visiting her family. So I'm in the house to myself. And I have them sitting out right here. I remember I took some sleep meds in addition to even popped a couple melatonins. And then I had a little bit of a sore throat that night. Just to be safe, I took some NyQuil. Wasn't really thinking about the combination. But anyway, I remember going in, I was working on the computer a little bit. I'd kind of like to let it kick in, start to feel a little drowsy, then I go to bed. Where's this going, Sean? Let's see the review. Woke up the next morning, came downstairs, and I looked on the table here, and I saw this open. And they were all spread out, and they were all open. And I do not remember doing that. Do not recall doing that at all. And I was like, holy shit. I opened those in like a complete haze of some sort. So I thought that was pretty funny. And then I remember I was in my office and I was looking for my iPhone stand. Where's my iPhone stand? It's always right here next to the computer. I walk in here and sitting on this table is my iPhone stand. I was like, holy shit. Did I record that? I did. Wow. So I had a 24-minute video of me opening these and nodding off a lot during and passing out at one point and then leaving. It's pretty funny. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna re-review these, but I'm also gonna give you some clips of the video. I was mumbling. If you notice, I'm doing it with my eyes shut a lot. I was opening these with my eyes closed. I was using scissors, which was very concerning. I was looking at my hands like I didn't have any cuts, but I'm watching myself work scissors. We're talking the kitchen scissors, the ones that could take a finger off. And I'm sitting there freaking out watching myself do it. Anyway, I think it's good footage. Regardless, it's me completely out of it. I should have went straight to bed, but I didn't. Anyway, let's go through these. So there's 9 of these in here. It's cool. It's got a little shapey shape on the back, Dick Warlock shape. Since this is a Halloween 2 licensed product. And these cool little orange and black balls. Let's see what's in ball number 1, shall we? And this is, it's like a pair of shoelaces with little pumpkins on them, like pumpkin faces. So it doesn't say Halloween, doesn't say Michael Myers. Oh wait, that does. Hold on. Wait a second. That's strange. Okay, one shoelace is just pumpkin faces, but the other shoelace, for some reason, has Michael on it as well. That's weird. So they sort of match. The same color, but okay. There's one. I think these were like $10, so this is kind of cool little thing for $10. All right, this is, I don't know what it is exactly. Is it a magnet? Let's find out. So this one I apparently didn't open. Let me get those same scissors. now that I'm coherent enough to operate these, let's I think this is a magnet. Let's see. Yep, got a fridge right behind me. That's a magnet. It's a tiny ass Halloween 2 magnet. It says, oh, it's Halloween 2, and then it says Universal City Studios LLC, all rights reserved. Thought maybe it said something like more the night he came home or something. All right, cool little tiny ass magnet. Next one. I'm actually gonna use this stuff. Oh, this is cool. I didn't really get to see this. I saw somebody posted this. I think this is really cool. I wonder who actually made this, because usually when you see stuff like this, it's usually garbage, you know, like, but that's well done. I don't know if that's taken off one of the NECA figures or something, but it's, you know, it's like a little finger mask, you know. You can do like this, like he's tilting, doing the head tilt. That's cool. I like that. All right. And, whoops, another one. Oh, that's an eraser. Now that looks like, call me crazy, but that looks like, I don't know if it's a Trick or Treat Studios mask or a fan mask, but that to me looks like a picture they probably just pulled off of the internet and said, that's Michael Myers, but that's clearly not a film still. Let's see here. And this one I cut open already. A lanyard. And it says, it's weird because the way it's cut off, there's nowhere on this lanyard where you can actually read the full quote, which, you know, even on both sides, it clearly says he's back, but it really just says he ack. Yeah, and it's like that all over it. So, yeah, and pumpkins. So, a little lanyard. Because, you know, he ack. Oh, what's this? Oh, there is something in there. A little teeny miniature Haddonfield Memorial Hospital patch. Oh, I remember I said something really fantastic in regards to this patch. That made no sense. That's kind of cool. Let's see here. Okay. A little tiny Halloween 3 skull in the Halloween 2 thing. Now this is strange because and it has a silver shamrock thing on the back too. So it's legit Halloween 3, but it's in the Halloween 2 bag. That's kind of strange that they would do that. And it's not fully hollow like the Myers. It's got a little bit of an indentation in there, but it stops. So, but it's pretty cool though. It's still a very cool, and it's, you know, size-wise, it's a little smaller, as you can see. Let me see if I can do that maybe. Ooh, The Thing with Two Heads. Check out the podcast if you haven't seen it. Let's see. Okay. Oh, it's a cool enamel pin. Let me open this sucker up. Yeah. It's a pretty cool Myers enamel pin. I like that. You know, for $10, this is a good deal. I mean, you're getting a lot of, you know, those enamel pins are sometimes $10, you know. And a little tiny ass keychain is the last item. And it's a still from, so it's a cool little keychain with a still from Halloween 2. As you can see, it's the picture of when Dick Warlock, as the shape, jumps up and kills Alice Ann Bruner, who was asking Mr. Elrod and Mrs. Elrod if they were okay. That was an additional scene shot by John Carpenter after the fact to add a little more gore and suspense. But anyway, yeah, this is a pretty cool, you know, little package of goodies. I highly approve, you know. And it's cool because you can see the shape through either side once you take the stuff out. Anyway, now enjoy this bonus footage of me really inebriated. So, we got some Halloween goodies here, setting up the atmosphere. What for? Well, I'll tell you. We are going to open up the Toy Capsule Collectible Halloween 2 collection. 9 Halloween themed collectibles hidden inside. One side is kind of see-through. Some of them already open. And this side's got half the shape's face on it, which is pretty groovy. Let's find out what all the hubbub is about, shall we? Shall we? All right. Okay, let's just open. Ball number 1, sealed. Let's check ball number 1. And ball number 1 is a little teeny tiny Haddonfield Memorial Hospital patch. Wow, this is about to go on like a nice 18-foot doll. Interesting. That was an interesting piece right there. And here we got pretty sweet Michael Myers keychain / tastic. That away. Another one's open. Ooh. This one is alright, spaced. Let's open this package up. So it's like a, I think it's an eraser. Like a school eraser. Next is also open. It's skull. See what's in this one. I'm nodding off at the table. Exciting video. So this is, ooh, it's like a little miniature mask. It's not completely hollow, but definitely enough to put on the top of a pencil or a finger. There you go.
Oh, Michael Myers shoelaces. Those are kind of cool, actually. Oh. Oh, God. Huh. I'm going to put the shoelaces back. People will be fighting over them. Ooh, there's one more. There's one more in the shape bag. Let's see what it is. It is. Huge. More syringe. That was on the whole time.